How to fix Roblox expected channel name error. So I'm going to show you a few fixes. For the first one, we want to actually clear our browser's cached images and cookies. So click on the three dots here. Once we have our browser open, go to clear browsing data. And here we will select this option, cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Leave the time range for all time and then click on clear data. Now this will log you out of Roblox, so make sure you know your password before you do this. Now after we have cleared this, see if the issue is solved for you. If it's still not solved, the other thing that we can try doing is opening up our computer search for add or remove programs. Open this up. Here we will type Roblox, and any instances that you have of Roblox, we will just click on it and uninstall. And uninstall here, confirm it. This will uninstall Roblox from your PC, and if you want to reinstall it, we will just open up any game here. We will press on the play button, and if we open up the Roblox game client, if we have successfully uninstalled it, it will detect that Roblox is uninstalled and it is going to reinstall Roblox for us. And that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.